So yeah, that was definitely like some Japanese like kind of style of hip hop, and maybe there was a little bit of repetitiveness there, but I don't think too much. But you know, I was trying to keep it fresh, and I wasn't thinking of like, oh, what move am I going to do next? I was just feeling the song as best as I could, keeping that somatic shaking and this somatic movement in mind of just being free. You know, kind of doing a body scan, which I'll talk about, or I talked about earlier. Just like being present with yourself and letting go and imagining, you know, being, you're already here on the floor, just being grounded and seeing yourself through that body scan move through each movement of each like limb and extremity of like the feet, you know, the legs, you know, the knees, you know, the hips, the waist, the stomach, okay, you know, the chest, the shoulders, the arms, the hands, the neck, and the head, the eyes, you know, the facial expressions, you know, the character, okay, the performance that you give off. Envision yourself getting ready to go. I know it's a little scary for some of you to get in front of a crowd, or maybe your mom or your dad, or your brother or your sister, or your best friend, or a shuffle meetup, or a school performance, or a carnival, or a festival, or up on stage, or not. You know, just imagine yourself, and then when it's time to go, boom, you're ready to go. Like you're tapped in, you're present, you're here, you're self-aware, you're body aware, you're body present, okay? You're feeling that, what Thomas Hanna described as that sensation that you're feeling inside of your body. You're feeling it. You're feeling the physical movement, and you're feeling how it makes you feel. And it feels amazing. And when you master this, your life will change. Not a care in the world. Nothing can bother you, because you know that you can just go and dance for 5 minutes, and it's just, you know, like whatever was bothering you, just over your head, because dance is a tool. It's a free tool. It's a free, dare I say, drug. But it's a healthy drug. Okay? And it is free 99. You just have to learn how to harness it, and it's all inside of you guys. It's all inside of you. Okay? So let me see. I'm feeling good, so I'm probably gonna do another song or so. So on to the next demo.